Today we're doing Percy Warner Park. This is where I parked, but we're gonna do the Mossy Ridge Trail. It's a beautiful day. We'll see how it goes. The drive here was rough with these two dogs. Kane is Kane, and I left my trekking pole in my car. I was gonna bring just one because I've got the dogs. And I can't remember what else I was gonna say. Okay, this is beautiful. All right, here we go. I remember what I was gonna say. I couldn't find the trailhead, so I parked the car and walked around in circles trying to just find the trailhead. This nice lady told me how to actually get here. But wow, this is beautiful. So I'm here today on an owl hunt. I've never seen one in its natural habitat. Always searching, I hear them, I can never actually find them. Okay, I think we go down here, boys. Mossy Ridge. All right, we're gonna have to do this pretty fast because, which is hard because I'm owl hunting, so I want to go slow, but this is kind of a long one for starting this late in the day. Oh, it's just so pretty. Wow. Oh, what's there? You guys gonna help me find owls? Oh, wait, what? Why was that blue? Maybe these two go. They must go together for a little bit, and then the rat will split off again. I hope. Okay, yeah, so I'm still going in the right way. You just cross this street, and then the red trail continues going down. Yay, I'm not lost. Oh, dripping springs bypass, that's funny. I want to go through the dripping springs. It's fun. Oh, look at that. Wow, if we take the bypass, we can see that. Should we go that way, you guys? Let's go that way so we can see the falls. Come on, go this way. We're going to do the bypass. I was laughing at it, but you can see it better if you go that way. Yay, look at how cool that is. You guys ready to cross the little creek? Getting a drink. Oh, this is when my poles would be handy. Okay. There we go. Okay, I just checked my map. I've been going for almost an hour. I'm not quite 2 miles in. So we need to start moving faster. Hey, hi little guy. Now we're by a road. Messes with my sounds of nature. You guys want to sit on this bench and drink some water? Come on, let's go have some water. This must mean we're halfway-ish, maybe. This is like choose your own adventure, I guess. Moderate to the left, more difficult to the right. I do not want more difficult, so we are going this way. Interesting though. I wonder what the other one's like. Still no owls. I can't say how many times I've tripped, which I'm always good at, but exceptionally good today as I'm looking up way more than down. I keep tripping over rocks. Getting high up on the ridge again. It's so nice out today. I think it's probably in the 80-ish maybe. But there's such a nice breeze and this trail is really shaded. But I am still so overheated, which is sad because my hiking season's almost over here. I will be switching to being in the pool or on the lake jet skiing. Alright. Crossing another road. This trail is very well marked. Which is good for me because I get lost very easily. Couldn't find the trailhead, but once a lady told me how to get to the trailhead, I've been good since. You guys gotta jump over. Good job, Jack. Good boy, Kane. I got the best little hiking pups. They're so good at this. I think I might be almost 4 miles in, but I realized that I really was getting overheated, and then I remembered I haven't had anything to eat in, oh, good job, boys, in a long time. I just kind of had coffee this morning, barely had like a little lunch hours ago, so now I'm eating licorice and picking up my pace a little bit and gonna get through the rest of this. So I'm at probably 4.2 miles and I don't exactly know how long this trail is because something said 4 something and another thing said 5 something. So either way, I'm almost done. It's a beautiful trail, green and gorgeous. We're getting to the end here. That's the fireplace, just in the middle of the woods. I'm almost done. No owls. Beautiful day though. Oh, that's not an owl, but that's some kind of pretty bird. I can't tell the difference anymore between moderate and hard, because this is moderate. It kicked my butt, but it was fun. Another beautiful day in nature. Life is a journey. Go find an adventure.